Nope, finally got her all back together. Belts, rollers. Most of the transport wheels were good. Just one of them was missing, so we replaced that. But good. When you go to raise it up, you do want to make sure you break both of these loose on each side and make sure that this is raised up. The machine is raised up as high as it'll go. Otherwise, it'll want to like hang on to these handles right here. The last one that came was like broken across, but we had one that we replaced it with. But yeah, you got to make sure that the whole knifing is up before you try to rotate it. And then once you rotate it, you just lock these down and then you're good to go. So, other than that, good to go. I'm going to get it on a skid. Hopefully have it ready to ship today.